In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your dream engineering job. If you want to land the right engineering role, the process starts with clarity. First, choose your engineering specialization. Be specific about whether you want to work in civil, mechanical, electrical, chemical, software, industrial, or another field. This matters because each path has different expectations, tools, and hiring standards. Next, build the education and qualifications required for that path. In the Philippines, many engineering careers require a relevant bachelor's degree, and for regulated professions, PRC licensure may also be necessary. Before you start applying, make sure you understand the minimum qualifications employers are looking for. Once your foundation is in place, focus on developing your technical skills. Learn the software, tools, programming languages, design systems, and technical concepts commonly required in your target role. Employers want to see that you can do the actual work, not just talk about it. After that, gain practical experience. Internships, OJT, apprenticeships, engineering projects, and entry-level roles can all help you build hands-on knowledge. This is also a great way to make professional connections and better understand how engineering works in real environments. As you build experience, create an engineering portfolio. Include school projects, designs, prototypes, CAD models, software builds, research, or anything else that proves your capabilities. A strong portfolio helps turn your skills into something visible and credible. Then, create a strong engineering resume. Highlight your education, technical skills, certifications, projects, internship experience, and measurable accomplishments. From there, customize your resume for every position. Read each job description carefully and mirror relevant keywords and skills so your application is more aligned and more likely to pass applicant tracking systems. You should also create a professional LinkedIn profile, add your education, engineering skills, projects, certifications, portfolio, and relevant experience. This gives recruiters another way to find and evaluate you. Now start searching for engineering jobs using LinkedIn, JobStreet, Indeed, company career pages, professional engineering organizations, and your university's career resources. While doing that, network with other engineers, including professors, classmates, former supervisors, recruiters, and professionals in your target industry. When interview opportunities come in, prepare for technical interviews by reviewing engineering fundamentals and practicing role-related technical problems. Also practice behavioral questions like telling employers about yourself, explaining why you want to work there, and describing a difficult engineering problem you solved. Throughout the process, show your communication and teamwork skills. Employers want engineers who can collaborate, think critically, and solve problems effectively. Research your target companies so you understand their projects, products, technology, culture, and teams. Keep improving your skills while job hunting and apply consistently while following up professionally. Track your applications, stay persistent, and keep going until you find the role that truly fits your career goals.